Hi everyone, here are some precautions before unpacking. 1. Upon receipt of the machine, you'll need to first check whether the outer packaging of the machine is seriously damaged, or there are signs of opening the box. 2. If there's serious damage, or there are traces of opening the box, please take photos of the location of the damage and all the labels on the outer package. You can also take a video. Take the photos or videos and attach your order number and send them to our after-sales email address, support@monport.com. 3. It would be better if you can shoot an unboxed video. Let's start opening the packaging box. Please be careful when you remove the cover crate because sometimes we still need to keep the crate for a short period of the time in case that something happened during like the use of the machine and you want to return or refund the machine. After the cover is removed, we can see a honeycomb is placed right above the machine, and we can take the phone out. Just two people can lift up the machine, and we can remove the protective film. To prevent the cover from moving, we also use the tape to fix it. After it's opened, we can also see some phones there. Some accessories are in there. Next, let's remove the belt clamp. The belt clamp is used to fix a gantry from moving during the transportation. 3. Check whether the accessories are complete. 4. Install the knife strips and honeycomb panels. 5. Here's the installation of the pump and the connection of water pipes. Please note that the water inlet of the machine must be connected to the water outlet of the pump, or the water circulation will not work. Similarly, when connecting the water cooler, the water inlet of the machine is connected to the water outlet of the water cooler, and the water outlet of the machine is connected to the water inlet of the water cooler. Six. Installation of exhaust pipe. 7. Plug in the USB cable to connect the computer and connect the power supply. Turn on the machine. 8. Connect the software, set the machine with, and return to the original position. The lead head will just return to rear right directly. Now let's have a test. Set the graphic and process the parameters. Move the graphic to the center. Adjust the focus. Reno has the semi-magnetic function. Once the laser head finds the right focus, it will just pop back. as you can see in our video. 11. Let's start marking. It works perfect.